What's up, my honey bunnies? Welcome back to a new video. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you guys are having a fabulous, delicious, beautiful day today. I am sitting down today to do a requested look. Roberta Miller requested the look that I was wearing in my Pacifica foundation review. It was more of a fresh face, glowy type of makeup look with very minimal products. And Taylor Christenbury also requested more tutorials. So this is one of my first tutorials in a while. Hope you guys enjoy it. Again, this is a fresh face, glowy makeup look. I hope you guys enjoy it. The foundation I used is the Pacifica Alive foundation, which is the foundation I had in that video. It is the foundation I was reviewing. If you guys want to hear more of my thoughts and you guys missed that video, I'll link it in the card so you guys can check it out. For the brows, I did use the Thrive Causmetics Insta Brow Fix. This is in the color Serena. For this look, I didn't use any bronzer. I just went ahead and used a little bit of blush. This one is from Juice Beauty. It's called Last Looks Cream Blush in the color Flush. It's a very natural looking type of blush. It's not anything very bright colored or anything like that. So it looks very natural. That day, I did bring the blush all the way over here. I did use the Rose Gold highlight from the Organic Skin Co. Again, just with my damp beauty sponge. That's pretty much all for the face. I'm gonna move on to eyes. Very simple as well. I only used one eyeshadow and mascara, and that's pretty much it. For the eyeshadow, I did use Shimmer Beige from Mother Bear's Handmade. Actually, no, they did change their name. It is Prisma palette now. So this is the color that I used, and I did apply this color all over the lid and even close to my inner corner, just to add, you know, the inner corner highlight. Her shadows are just incredible. I do have a video if you guys want to check it out where I swatch my entire collection from Prisma palette. Curl my lashes and then apply some mascara. The mascara I did use is the Fit Glow mascara, which is the one I've been using since I got it. Besides that one, I've been using the Kush, but mostly this one, and I'm almost gonna be out of this. I can feel it's already changing the formula. It's kind of getting a little more drier and it starts to flake on me now, so I might just have to stop using it very soon. The last product that I'm gonna use for this makeup look, I did use the Lather Lip and Cheek Tint. And this is the rose color. I don't know if they have different colors, but this is rose, and I really been liking it. I've been talking about this on Instagram, I think all week long or since I got it. It's a really nice color. Let me swatch it for you guys. Very natural, everyday type of wear color. The other one I've been really liking is the new product from Red Apple Lipstick. This is Copper Candy. Let me give you guys a swatch of that. It's pretty much the same thing, but more of a nude color. They have the same amount of like shimmer that makes your lips look so freaking glowy in person. Sometimes in camera it doesn't really translate, but in person, I promise you, it is a very glowy. It's not glittery or shiny in a way that it feels glossy, but it's just really nice. So I've been really liking this one, and this is the one that I used for that makeup look that I had in that video. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use this one. I am seriously obsessed with this look on my cheeks. It looks so glowy, so juicy. It kind of even looks like glass at a certain angle. Do you guys see that? I'm obsessed. This is why I really love the Juice Beauty cream blush and a cream highlight. Any type of cream highlight or cream blush. It's gonna make your cheeks look nice and glowy and juicy and healthy looking. So I highly recommend cream product, especially for the winter. My skin can use all the hydration and moisturizing type of products it can get. But yeah, that is everything that I used for this makeup look, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.